In this video, I'll show you how to work with serial number functionality. A serial number is a unique number of each item which can be used for easy identification of an item and get additional information about it. To work with serial numbers, enable serial number tracking option from administration, purchasing and warehouse settings. Enable the option from here. Please note, once you enable this feature and use the serial numbers in any documents, you cannot disable the option. There are two ways of serial number management. Without control, where you enable the serial number functionality and get an option to add the serial numbers randomly with the items without any control of the balance. It could be just for recording purpose. Secondly, with control, where you enable the option Control Stock Balance by Serial Numbers, where serial number must be entered in all documents of item distribution and system will keep track of the documents linked with that particular serial number. Enable the option Include Serial Numbers in Document Print Forms to have the serial numbers in all respective print forms where the item details will appear. If you want to use the functionality of serial number in each item, you will need to enable the option Use Serial Numbers in the Item Master Data from the Accounting Parameters tab. Let's open an item. Go to Accounting's Parameter tab and enable the option Use Serial Numbers. You can find the list of serial numbers of this item by clicking the serial number hyperlink from More Actions. To create a serial number, click on Create option. A dialog box will appear over here. Add the number in the serial number field and click on Save or Save and Close. Your serial number is created successfully. You can use the hyperlink serial number transactions to find the list of transactions when that particular serial number are used in various documents. Click on Save and Close. Your serial number will be appearing here in the list. Let me show you a transaction with serial number. Let's begin with an invoice received first. I'll open an existing one for easy understanding. Go to Inventory tab and you will find an item with serial number column appearing here. You can also create serial numbers from invoice received by clicking on this serial number column twice. Click on Generate option to generate the serial number from the system automatically. You can also edit the auto-generated serial number by adding your own serial number. Or click on the plus sign to create a new one. You can see how many are not used by clicking on the option Show Unused Serial Numbers. You can find from the available ones this has not been used in any documents yet. I'll remove the serial number which I have added. Click on Select and post the document. Now let me show you an example of an invoice document. Open an existing invoice. Go to Inventory tab. You can add the item and serial numbers manually, or to have the serial numbers picked up from the system, click on the serial numbers twice. Expand the serial number balances. Click on the serial numbers to bring it to the picked numbers. Or you can choose the serial number and click on the arrow to bring it to the picked number. Once the serial numbers are picked, click on Select and post the document. Similarly, the serial number column will appear in all the required documents wherever the inventory operation happens. When there is no control, you can add a random serial numbers and availability of the item will not appear in the serial number list. Similarly, adding of serial number works in the same way in rest of the documents where the inventory operation is used. Having this functionality not only lets you track the items but also helps in inventory control like maintaining quality control by providing the means to assist in addressing warranty control, and in case of defects, items can be recalled at fast pace. Let me show you some useful reports related to serial numbers. Use serial number search report from purchasing, reports of purchasing. Open serial number search. In this report, you will find the list of transactions where the particular serial numbers have been used. You can also use filters from quick settings to get details of a particular serial number, like enable the option serial number, add the serial number, and generate. You will find all the list of transactions related to that serial number. Another important report will be serial number balances by warehouse, which you can find from Warehouse module, Reports of Warehouses. Open the report. Here you will find the list of the serial numbers and its balances. You can also use the filter option to get the details about particular serial number. Thank you for watching the video.